Alcohol abuse can take a toll on your body, but there's hope for recovery. In this video, we'll explore some essential steps to repair and heal your body after alcohol abuse. The first and most crucial step in repairing your body after alcohol abuse is seeking professional help. Reach out to a healthcare provider or therapist who specializes in addiction to create a personalized treatment plan that suits your needs. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals can aid in your body's recovery. Prioritize foods high in antioxidants like fruits and vegetables to combat oxidative stress. Proper nutrition helps repair damaged organs and supports overall health. Alcohol dehydrates the body, so staying well hydrated is essential. Drink plenty of water to aid in detoxification, improve skin health, and ensure proper bodily functions. Physical activity boosts endorphin production and helps repair damage caused by alcohol. Start with light exercises and gradually increase intensity to improve your cardiovascular health and reduce stress. Quality sleep is vital for the body's healing process. Aim for 7-9 hours of restful sleep each night to enhance cognitive function, mood, and overall well-being. Alcohol often serves as a coping mechanism for stress. Replace this habit with healthier alternatives like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to reduce anxiety and improve mental and physical health. Identify and avoid situations, people, or places that trigger your alcohol cravings to prevent relapse. Surround yourself with a supportive network of friends and family. Recovering from alcohol abuse is a challenging journey, but with professional help, a healthy lifestyle, and a strong support system, you can repair your body and lead a fulfilling alcohol-free life.
Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.